Hello guys, welcome to cgeeks. Today our topic is how you can create an Adobe Stock account for earning. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. To create an Adobe Stock account, you need to go to this link for creating an account. I will copy this link. The link is also available in description. You can copy from description. So just I'll paste here. So this is Adobe Stock official website for earning. You can sell images, you can sell videos and clips, PNG, lots over. So I am going to start join now. Click on join now. Now you can create account from your email address with password, or you can go for Gmail address. I am selecting my Google address. So type here your Gmail address. Hit enter. Enter your password. Click next. So confirmation, continue. So after login, this is the first look of your Adobe Stock contributor account, your portfolio. Here is your dashboard, your trends and your account balance. Here are your uploaded files, your account. You can upload assets here. So inside here you can see the best seller and their assets which they are selling. Thanks guys for watching and learning.